So I saw this ad that said that I could mine Bitcoin with no hardware, no noise, no huge electric bill. Just click a button and money magically shows up in your wallet. Naturally, I thought, yeah, right, total scam. Then I tested it, and what I discovered shocked me. So this is my honest review of GoMining, whether it is legit or just another crypto trap. So if you are looking for real answers regarding GoMining, whether it pays, whether it is secure, whether it is worth your time, you gotta stay with me because I tested it, I tracked my earnings, and I'll break down everything from payouts to transparency and to the red flags, and why I think it might be the smartest way to earn Bitcoin this year. So what is GoMining? GoMining is a cloud mining platform, but not like any shady ones from 2017. It works like this. You buy an NFT based miner, each with a certain amount of terahashes. These aren't just JPEGs, they are actual smart contracts linked to real mining capacity in GoMining's data centers. So instead of buying your own machine, you rent power from GoMining, and they handle all the equipment, the cooling, the electricity, all of that stuff, and you just earn daily Bitcoin payouts straight to your wallet. So does GoMining really pay? So here's my GoMining account. As you can see, I currently have just over 28 terahashes worth of power, and I have a couple of miners as well. And when I click on rewards, you will see my daily Bitcoin payouts and how much they are. And when I scroll down, you will see that a couple of weeks ago I was only making 782 satoshis, but every single day I make more and more, simply because I'm constantly reinvesting and upgrading my miners so I can earn more Bitcoin every single day. As you can see, every single day it is being paid out on time, on schedule. Payments are made in actual Bitcoin every single day. There are no sneaky tricks. You don't have to jump through 1,000 hoops or get some random token or any of that stuff. Literally real Bitcoin paid out daily. So when we break it down, I'm currently making $1.60 of Bitcoin every single day, and this is Bitcoin that I can withdraw and cash out whenever I want. And what I love about GoMining, they even show you how much you are expected to earn with each upgrade. So let's take this miner for example, and I press upgrade. So this upgrade will cost me $39.99. So if I press next, I can use my debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or I can use crypto to upgrade this miner. But let me quickly show you something else. When we press this small tab right here, it will show us how much more we are going to make with this upgrade. So we are going to make an extra 162 satoshis, which equals out to be around 9 cents extra of profit every single day. So every single upgrade that you do, you're going to see exactly how much more Bitcoin you're going to be making. Let's take a look at the Power XL upgrade. So this one is very expensive, 499 bucks. But when we break it down, that will give us an extra earning of $1.17 every single day. Also, the annual ROI is over 43%. That means I will recoup my money very quickly, and I will start making profits much faster. And now let's talk about trust, because in crypto everything sounds too good to be true until it's not. Here's what convinced me that GoMining is legit. First off, the team is fully doxed. All of their advisors are doxed as well. You'll be able to find all their public information very quickly and easily by simply doing a Google search. Second, public audits of hash power. All the power that they claim to have with their miners, they actually have it, and you can track every single miner. While being able to track all the miners, you can also track the live hash rate. That way you'll know exactly how much hashing power the miners that GoMining has are producing. Second, GoMining is backed by real infrastructure in multiple countries. They actually have facilities full of actual miners that are mining away as we speak. And a lot of these facilities have actual live feeds that you can monitor on a daily basis. So you can literally go on the website and watch those miners hash away on a live cam. So you can literally watch it live while they mine Bitcoin. Finally, they have been around for many years. They have a very strong track record, no pump and dumps, just consistent Bitcoin payouts over the last 5 years. And most importantly, no fake tokens. You You literally get paid in Bitcoin that you can hold, you can sell, or you can trade anytime that you want. With all of that being said, Go mining is not perfect. And now let me be real with you. Just like with any investment, you have to put up your own money. With Go mining, you have to buy an NFT miner. Some of them are very cheap, starting around $26, $27. Others cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So you have to invest some money in order to get those daily Bitcoin payouts. Another thing that you should know is that earnings are based on the price of Bitcoin and mining difficulty. For example, right now Bitcoin is around $117,000, $118,000. If you wake up tomorrow and Bitcoin is at $10,000, best believe your Bitcoin earnings on Go mining will be affected. You're probably going to end up making a lot less money. But as long as the price of Bitcoin stays consistent and it doesn't drop 90% overnight, we should be good. Also, the network difficulty is another factor. As you guys know, every 4 years, Bitcoin has a halving, which causes the difficulty of mining it to increase. And this can slightly affect your profits. One thing that you need to pay attention to is when buying miners on the marketplace. Make sure you are very careful. Make sure you are paying attention to those small numbers. A lot of people will post their miners on the marketplace to sell them for a lot more money than they are worth. So definitely pay attention and be careful buying on the marketplace. Don't get me wrong, sometimes you can find amazing deals on the marketplace, but sometimes they have a lot of overpriced miners. So definitely be careful. Look at all those small numbers before you press that buy button. And finally, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This will not make you a millionaire overnight. Mining Bitcoin on Go mining is a long-term play. It takes time to build up your miners, to build up your hashing power in order for you to make large amounts of Bitcoin. So if you are expecting to put in $25 and buy your first miner and you wake up tomorrow a millionaire, I promise you that will not happen. It definitely takes some time, especially if you want to grow your farm to make large amounts of Bitcoin. So for example, I started a couple of months ago. I was making 4 cents a day. Now, a couple of months later, I'm at $1.60 a day. Who knows? A month from now, 2 months from now, I might be at $3, $4 a day, then $5 a day, then $10 a day, then $50 a day, then $100 a day. Obviously, it will not happen overnight, but that is my goal. That is what I'm working towards. So those are some pros and cons when it comes to Go mining. So if you want to give Go mining a try, I will have a link for them in the description box below. Make sure to use that promo code so you can get 5% off your next miner. So here's exactly what I recommend. First off, start out small. Don't go all in on your first miner. Buy a cheap miner in the beginning. Start testing it out, see the payouts, the numbers, and see how you can scale it from there. Second, filter the NFTs by efficiency. Efficiency is very important in mining. Also, look at miners that have a lot of power, a lot of terahashes, especially if you are shopping on the marketplace. Third, think about using the reinvest mode. This can compound your earnings over time. So instead of withdrawing all of your Bitcoin that you are earning, you can reinvest it back into your miner so you earn even more the next time around. The more of your earnings you reinvest back into your miner, the faster you'll be able to upgrade it, and the more terahashes you'll be able to accumulate. The more terahashes that you have, the more Bitcoin you're going to mine every single day. Number 4, track the price of Bitcoin. The higher the price of Bitcoin goes, the higher your daily rewards are going to be worth. And finally, number 5, look for discounts and deals on the marketplace. Scan every day. Look for that cheap miner that somebody listed that you can get a great deal on. Look in the bounty program where you can get free tokens to upgrade your miners. I will have a video linked in the description box below on how you can accumulate free tokens with Go mining. So definitely check that video out. Also, sometimes Go mining runs promotions where you don't have any fees or whatsoever, and sometimes they give 20% off, and look for those to make that big purchase. When it comes to Bitcoin mining, timing is key. So is Go mining legit? In my experience, yes. It is not magic money, but it is smart, passive, and built for the long term. So if you think Go Mining will make you rich overnight, this might not be the platform for you. But if you want to make some passive income in Bitcoin, if you want to get those daily payouts, if you want to build up your farm, build up your hashing power, and make a lot of money in the long term, then this is something that you definitely should check out. So if you're serious about stacking Bitcoin while others are sleeping on it, this might give you the edge. Like I said, the link will be in the description box below. Subscribe if you want more honest crypto content without the fluff. And drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll try to reply to all the comments. All right, everybody. See you in the next one. Peace out.